Next type of positional number system is binary number system. So as the name indicates, binary is nothing but 2. Okay. So in the decimal number system, sometimes it is not so convenient to implementation in a digital system. For example, like it is very difficult to design electronic device so that can work with what 10 voltage levels. Decimal number systems ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 10. Okay, so as you all know that computer is an electronic machine that must be deals with what voltage signals and all. Okay, so if it is binary number system, then that must be work with what 10 different voltage signals or voltage levels, right? So that is from 0 to 9. So on the other hand, it is sometimes very easy to design simple and accurate electronic circuits. That means that can be work with only 2 voltage values. So binary number system alladreno erade values irutte, that is 0 and 1. So that computer system can easily deal with 2 values, that is 0 and 1. So if it is decimal number system that has 10 values, that is from 0 to 9, then computer system must be deal with what 10 voltage levels. Sometimes that may be difficult, but if it is binary number system, in the sense it is easy to design and it is also simple, then accurate electronic circuits. That means if it is 0, then that is low voltage, if it is 1, then that is high voltage. Okay, so that binary number system is more convenient and most widely used number system. Okay, so this means it provides a accurate electronic circuits. 10 ಅಥವಾ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ zeros and ones. But when we are working directly with the binary number system, then no need for the conversions, because already it is in the form of what zeros and 1. Okay, so what is the base or radix of this binary number system? That is 2. So base ಅಥವಾ radix value ಎಷ್ಟು binary number system ಗೆ 2, and it uses the total of 2 symbols. In decimal number system it has a 10 symbols, that is from 0 to 9, but in binary it uses the 2 symbols, that is 0 and 1. If it is 0, then low voltage, if it is 1, high voltage. Okay, and each binary has its own value or weight expressed as power of 2. In binary we need to use the power of 2, in decimal power of 10. Okay na? So this system mainly uses the total of 2 symbols. The base of this symbol is, or base of this number system is 2. Okay, and the symbols used are 0 and 1. And whatever the principle of the decimal number system, that also applies to the binary system. Okay, so the binary system is a positional value system where each binary has its own value or weightage that is expressed as a power of 2. Okay, so decimal number system alli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, up to 0 to 9 values we can write, but in binary number system we need to consider only 2 symbols or 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Whatever the values is there, then that must be represented what zeros and ones. For example, take this example 1101. Okay, so this 1101 needs to be represent in a binary position values as a power of 2. First we need to write the values from left to right, that is 1101. While assigning the powers of 2, that must be done with left to right. So 1 is 2 to the power of 0, 0th weight is 2 to the power of 1, and 1 weight is 2 to the power of 2, 1's weight is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so here places to the left of the binary point are positive numbers, so here no decimal point, so that whatever the values which is present, those are considered as what positive powers of 2. Okay, so how this value can be written, 1 into this one I am taking 1 into 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 into 2 to the power of 3, 1 into 2 to the power of 2, 0 into 2 to the power of 1 and 1 into 2 to the power of 0. Okay, now we'll see the value. 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is what? Sorry, 2 to the power of 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So that 2 to the power of 3 is 1 into 8 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 0 with any number is 0. Then 1 into 2 to the power of 0 is what? 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the total value? 1 into 8 is 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 13. Okay, so this 1101 is nothing but what? 13. But I will give you a simple trick, that is 8421 format, that we need to follow 8421 format. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14 and 1 15. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 1 0 1 ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಆರ್ ವೆರೆವರ್ ದ 1 is present, take that numbers. So here 1 is present, then consider 8. Here 1 is present, then consider 4. Here 0 is present, so don't consider this 2. Then here 1 is present, then consider this 1. So add all these values. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So this is a easy trick. Okay, so this indicates 13. So same like decimal number system, binary number system also used to differentiate the positive numbers with the negative numbers. So another example, consider example 2, that is 1101.011, that needs to be represented here, so that 1101 binary point. Okay, so don't consider this as a decimal point, this is binary point. Then 011. Okay, so ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೈನರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ರೈಟಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೆಯ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ negative value for the rightmost values, so that 1 is nothing but 2 to the power of 0 and 0 is 2 to the power of 1, 1 is 2 to the power of 2, then 1 is 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and in previous example this 2 to the power of 3, that is 8, has a most significant bit, that means it has a most weightage. So this one represent the least weightage or least significant digit or data. Okay, so in this example this 0 must be represented what? 2 to the power of minus 1, 1 is represented as 2 to the power of minus 2, 1 is represented as 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so now we'll see how to represent these values or how to analyze these positional values. 1 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0 plus binary point is nothing but plus, then 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so here 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0 is 1 plus ಇದೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 0, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 into 1 divided by what is the 2 to the power of 2 value? 4. Okay, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So 1 divided by 8. 8 plus 4 plus 0 or plus 1. So this is regarding positive signs or positive weightage values. So in this no need to consider this 0 or we have decimal binary point, put binary point here, and in calculation no need to put the binary point. Okay, so that plus 1 into 1 by 4 is 0.25 plus 1 into 1 by 8 is 0.125. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಇಂಟು 2 to the power of 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, 1 by 4. ಸೊ 1 into 1 by 4 ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0.25. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 by 4 is 0.25 and 1 by 8 is 0.125. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 0.125 ಮತ್ತು 0.25ನ ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13.375. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 375 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 0.125 and then 0.25. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 1 is 3.0. So value of sum of values of negative weighted is 0.375. So the value is 13.375. So this is decimal value because it doesn't contain any binary values, so that we are converting binary to decimal. Okay, so in this binary system or in a binary digit system, the binary digit is often abbreviated as what, bit. Binary digit or bit. ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಬೈನರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಲೈಕ್ in this example you can say that it has a 4 bits. Okay, 1 2 3 4, so it consists of 4 bits, and left of the binary point representing the, in this example you can take that it has two parts, positive and negative parts are left and right part. So in this example there are 4 bits to the left of the binary point representing the integer point. Okay, integer point, and then 3 bits to the right of binary point. Binary point ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 3 ಬಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೈನರಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ, ಆರ್ smallest weight is the left or least significant bit. So in this context, leftmost bit is this one, that's why this is MSB, most significant bit, and this rightmost bit is this one, that's why this is LSB or least significant bit. Okay, so that computers store various type of information, like varying from numbers, letters and other special character, and each memory unit of the computer is said to be contain what, bit, that can be either 0 and 1, so that the computer can easily handle with what, 2 binary digit than handling another 10 digit values or 10 digit different signals. That's why use of the binary digit simplifies the design, and it reduces the cost, and it also improves the reliability. So what are the advantage of binary number system? So it simplifies the design, and it reduces the cost, and it also improves the reliability. Reliability in the sense we can trust the system, because no need to convert that binary number system into any other form, because computer directly understand zeros and ones. Okay, so this is regarding binary number system that you need to keep it in mind. Okay, thank you.